We have, over the last, I'd say 2 years, been working on getting more involved in the community, being a resource for seniors in our community, and getting out our names so people know we exist. So when there's issues with seniors in the community, they know they can come to us. So one of the ideas we came up with was a speaker series. The goal was to touch the seniors at the actual presentations, but we're also recording them. They've been replaying on MCTV, also be able to distribute some DVDs. And so what we did is, when we sent out some information about our first session in July, Crystel here received some of the information, and she reached out and told us about her program, which she can talk a little bit about, and we decided to work together.
I had just received a grant from Quality Health Foundation to do exactly a speaker series for the senior population, focusing on almost the same topics. The topics weave together perfectly. And so I gave a call and said, you know, we're doing the same thing. Can we partner together? Yeah. And I have some funds to help you market this. So it's actually coming together very nicely.
So we had a set sort of outline of some specific topics we wanted to cover. Things like senior exploitation, you know, hospital admissions and navigating your systems, mental health for seniors. I mean, one thing we run into on the shore, with everything being quite rural, is that there's a pocket in each county or in each organization that's working on the same thing. And so, you know, we've run into that with hunger, and you know, some folks here are involved in the Hunger Coalition, and so it's trying to pull all of those pieces together. Yeah. So we want to both reach the senior themselves and their children, and the best way to do that is not to just limit ourselves to Talbot County, to reach out to the other counties, Queen Anne and Kent, Caroline, Dorchester. We're going to try and host a series in all the counties. We're
really trying to branch out to the whole 5-county area that Chesapeake serves, so that we reach a greater population, and that we have talked about going into businesses, because we're not, while some of the information is meant for the seniors, it's actually meant for those people that are the caregivers.
So October 18th at 5:30 at Brookletts Place, we're going to be talking about the Talbot Village Connections, which is a great nonprofit organization that's getting started in the Bay Hundred area. So it's a great opportunity to learn more about Talbot Village Connections, when they're going to be starting up, how that's going to work, and then also moving forward in the future on hopefully expanding and covering more areas. And then we have a second session on the same topic on October 20th at Union Church in St. Michael's, and that is at 2 o'clock on, that's October 20th. It's a Thursday.